Pretty ugly day. Pretty ugly, bad trading day for me. Let's get into it. All right, so to set the stage here, ah, I shouldn't have traded today. I should have just put it away, put it up, and lived to fight another day. But I did not do that. No, I forged on. Onward, forward we must go. Okay, so uh, I don't even know where to start. So let's start with my two biggest funded accounts. Were the biggest funded accounts. Um, I don't trade the news. So the news had already happened. This is later in the. This is at what 12:15. Okay. I get short at the bottom. I think it was actually at this candle. I think it was this second candle, this green one. As it came down, it was coming down with speed. It met my criteria to get in for a short. I know some people were like, well, why are you short in the bottom? Well, when you're using the volatility speed that I trade with, I thought, and normally you pop in and it busts right through and you crack out the other side. Well, this one did not do that. As soon as I got in, it reversed. It went back up. Um, and I got out. I got out midway up this candle for like a $300 loss. Now I'm trading both of these accounts in tandem. They're tied together. Okay, so that is a $300 loss in each account. That sucks. That stinks. But what I did next is what really solidified my day. So where this green arrow is, I get long. So I'm like, well, if we're not going down, we're going up. And I want my money back. I want that back. So I not only get in with one contract, I get in with two. I get in at the top. We don't go any further on that candle. As a matter of fact, we sell off hard and we come back down. And I finally get out on this candle for a total of $1,000 round trip loss. This is so frustrating on a few levels. I don't know, it depends on how you want to look at it, really. If I would have held the first contract, I would have got out with the profit target. Yes, I would have gone through heat. I probably would have been about $500 to $700 in drawdown at the top of this, but it came right back down and it got me out. Obviously, I have no clue of what the next candles are going to be as it is pushing back up and breaking this high right here. So actually getting out on this candle, sensibility wise, was the right thing to do. What was the wrong thing to do was to add to and try to continue that ride higher. That is where I messed up. Okay, that is where I jacked up. If I would have held these two, comes around and goes right back up past. It was such. I'm sitting here crying. I'm crying, crying to the world because I screwed up two times. That is a painful loss, though. That really is really frustrating to watch it come back, come back past where you entered, not once but twice. That sucks. That sucks. All right, so moving backwards, this soul stealer of a move right here. I was I was $1,800 away from passing that freaking 300K account. I had 1,800 more dollars to make. I had made I think 7,000 this morning. I needed 1,800 more. That's not a lot. I recouped my losses from yesterday. I needed 1,800 more. I did not get 1,800 more. Oh man, this I can't even remember the series that I was in now. It might have even been over here. But long story short, I rode this all the way to Hades, all the way to the bottom until it stopped me out with 5 contracts. Gave back $7,500 in that move. I don't remember exactly where that was. I know it's in here. I know I rode this whole move down. Now where I entered at, I couldn't tell you at the moment. Um, there was a lot of blind rage going on when it got down here. I was not happy. And unfortunately, I had another one of the newer funded accounts in this same trade with the eval. So everybody ate it. Everybody ate it on this move down. Uh, I'm just lacking patience because sitting here looking at this chart, if I would have been more patient with either of those entries, I could have waited it out. All of this recovered today. Again, there's no way of knowing this as you're in it, but and well, maybe you do. I don't know. I shouldn't say that. Maybe some of you do know that when you're in the middle of it, but I think losing that 300K account, being that close to passing it today, made me madder than the money I gave back on those funded accounts. To be quite honest, even though that stung. Uh, yeah, I needed literally like two, 8 trades, 9 more trades to get it passed in the manner of which I was passing it. 8 ticks, 5 contracts at a time. It's about $200. Um, anyway, not a great day. Not a great day. I will get into this P&L because I know that is what everybody wants to see is talk about the monies. Where is the money? There's not a lot of money today because it's all gone. So there we go. $1,000 backwards in both of those accounts. Um, really conflicted about how I want to go forward with these two. Do I want to try to trade them? There's just I took this off because 216 or 2600 is the magic number to be able to request a payout. We were not going to go below that. I wasn't going to allow that. If I would have held it like 5 minutes later, it wouldn't have been there. Ugh. um, if you can't tell, I'm a little frustrated with myself. Even though I got to flip one day tomorrow and they're eligible for a payout. That's not terrible. That's $4,000. That's not terrible. And if I request it um, on the first, I will have taken money out of the market every month this year. That's not crappy either. Is it hundreds of thousands of dollars? No, but it's some nice little shots in the arm for 90 days. That's pretty awesome. That's great. And I'm just conflicted about, do I want to try to trade these and bring them back? Because if I was able to get them back to say, you know, $3,000 and then request it, uh, that leaves $1,000 in drawdown instead of 500. That I don't know. I'll have to see about that. And then obviously I took off one of the fundits because it's not here anymore. I made 114 in two, 246 and 209 in another. This one right here was a freaking battle to get it back above. It was later in the afternoon trading that one, but yeah. All in all, not a great day. Not a great day. Negative $1,400 on the day. That is not great, but it is what it is. We will dust ourselves off and come back tomorrow. I have a feeling I will not trade those. I have other accounts to trade. I have another 300K E valve that I'm going to attempt to get across the goal line by Monday. Um, so I don't. It's not like I have. It's not like those are my only accounts to trade. I have other things to do. But just wanted to hop on here and give you guys a quick update. I should have streamed today, dude. In the middle of a meltdown, that's probably not going to be a great experience for anyone. And I know misery loves company. Maybe some of you other folks who are not doing so great come join in my misfortunes. But in the middle of losing couple of grand, I'm not sure that makes for great viewership there. But anyway, as always, I appreciate y'all tuning in. I will catch you next time. Take care.